Hey, it's Phil. I'm here to talk today about video gait analysis. So video gait analysis is when we use video to analyze your gait. So that's your walking gait or your running gait. So it's particularly useful for athletes, but we use it for most of our patients when we're looking to sort of educate you on the way your body is moving and how that could be contributing to your injury. Basically, I'm going to run through the main details of that. So the human eye can't really detect the things that happen at the speed that they're happening in the human body. So we use gait analysis all the time. We watch people walking, but to be able to stop it, pause it, and go frame by frame allows us to pinpoint where the movement problem is and why that could be contributing to your injury. So this is an example of some video gait analysis that allows us to sort of break apart the running gait. So this is me running just before. Now, I'll just point out some things. So it allows us to pause, and you go forwards, go backwards, and it allows us to assess the whole body. So as podiatrists, we're mostly interested in the foot and ankle, but we will be hearing about injuries in other areas further up the kinetic chain as well. So we are generally working hand in hand with our local physios, chiropractors, surgeons, other sports physicians, whoever's helping that patient. We're usually involved as a team. So what you can see here is it allows us to pause and analyze which parts of the body are moving in different ways at different times. So starting sort of at the foot, we've got normal ranges where we want feet to be working. So you can see here, so this is an example of what we would go through with this patient who is me, right? So we can see that the rear foot is not in the position we'd like it to be. It's too pronated, so too much rear foot pronation. Up through the leg and into the hip, we're getting a bit too much femoral adduction, which is where the femur is coming in too much. So I need to do some work on my stability around the hips and the glutes and other muscles that help to keep the knees apart and to keep that gait. And there's a bit too much drop for my liking there as well. So it allows us to assess not only what the foot is doing, but for the rest of the body. And then we can provide that feedback back to our colleagues who are working, higher up the kinetic chain or higher up into the knees and hips as well. I hope that's interesting to you. So if you are a runner or just anyone who's got some issues with your foot pain or ankle pain or knee pain or hip or lower back pain, this is a tool that we'll definitely use when you come in to see us. Okay, have a good day, guys. See you later.